we back for the next part. First, make sure you select the layer that have your picture, and then select the smudge tool. We will smudge and soften rough edges for hair first. We will use hairbrush for hair. Smudge all the rough edges. For this part, smudge it until both are well blended. Don't worry if it comes out of its original place. So next are body and clothes parts. We will use airbrush normal brush. Same as before, smudge all the rough edges. Smudge also can use to fix the glitch. Smudge the eyelashes for easy to us to draw eyelashes. Do not forget the face too. To smooth the edges for outside part, we will just use eraser. Erase the edges and white line. Do not worry if we accidentally erased over a part. That's it for today. See you all again.